dragging, consider Obie the obese dachshund. Used to be you could actually hear his belly dragging.
What a good boy.
But on Tuesday, Obie dragged himself to Oregon expert vets and went under the knife after months of weight loss.
It is a modified tummy tuck, yeah, because we removed redundant skin and had to reconstruct.
The idea wasn't to make Obie lose weight. He had already done that. At his worst, screen left, he weighed 77 pounds. Screen right, he dropped 40. Obie's previous owners were elderly and ill. They overfed him, practically killing him with kindness. Eventually, Obie was adopted by a veterinary technician.
Oh, no.
Nora had to fight for custody of Obie, who got praised just for managing to waddle down the ramp Nora set up.
Good job.
Frankly, Obie's belly made him look like something that had washed up on the beach, thanks to an overweight management formula fed to Obie. In a dish that slows the dog down as he eats, he started losing weight. He didn't appreciate veggies.
Eat your carrots.
And he was too fat for the treadmill. Demonstrated by Nora's other dachshund, but over 8 months,
Look at you go.
look at his weight go down on the scale. Here he is at 41 pounds. By the time of the surgery, he weighed 37 and a half. But there was no way this extra skin and flab would ever disappear on its own. Plus, it was black from inflammation and infection. So in a 2-hour operation, how much did you take off him?
It ended up being about 2.5 pounds of tissue removed.
Dr. Kramer says the 7-year-old is recovering faster than expected. The goal now, to get Obie to lose another 5 pounds, so he'd be the perfect weight for a standard dachshund, 30 pounds. Finally, Obie can see and even lick his own paws. He's become what he is, a Wiener dog, not a stuffed sausage. Gino, CNN.